Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And today I'm going to blow dry my hair with this new Pro Salon one-step hair dryer and styler from Revlon. I got this for I think 30 bucks on Amazon. And I know I'm super late. Don't even come for me. I know I'm really late with this one. The price to be amazing. So let's see if this beats my Rev Air, because I love my Rev Air. I really want to like straighten my hair. I don't want to use heat on it. Like, I do not want to use a flat iron on it or anything. I haven't used any heat on it for a while and my hair is doing really well. So I came across this thing and I know I'm super late, but I hear that it's really amazing. Gets your hair like blown out really quick, and I was thinking maybe I can do like a blown out style where I don't have to use a flat iron on my hair, and I just want to see how straight my hair can get without using an actual iron. You guys should see my setup. This looks crazy, but I think the lighting is great. It has 3 settings and it's lightweight, detangling, large paddle brush. It has cool, low, and high. If you guys can see that. Cool, low, and high. Which I wonder what high is. What's the difference between cool and low? Use the low setting on fine or thin hair, and the high setting on thick and coarse hair. Use the cool setting to lock in the moisture. Okay. Oh, okay, so I think high and low are both hot and cool is just cool. I think low is just like less air and high is like more air, but both hot, and then cool is like cold air.
Okay.
I think. Okay, well, let's just try this. Of course, I'm gonna be using my HSI Professional Argan Oil Thermal Protector. No matter what heat protectant you have, use it. Always use it. Always. Like, it shouldn't even be a question. Also, guys, this is quarantine day 7 for me. I'm doing pretty good. This stuff smells so great. So before I sprayed this stuff in my hair, I had no products in my hair, and I washed my hair and I deep conditioned my hair. So hopefully my hair will be straight in no time. I'm also gonna time it since I have time to do it. Why not? I have this Therapy 24K smoothing fluid. See if it does the same this time. Smoothing fluid. Yeah, the ends are kind of dry. I might cut my hair. I might. Okay, I'm gonna start for the purpose of this video in the front, and I would never start in front, but that's okay. Let's see how straight we can get this piece right here. Also, being alone in quarantine, it makes me really want to get a cat or a dog. I just want a pet. I might get one. Okay. Timer is on. Let's do this. I've been blow drying for 1 minute. Ooh. That's not bad. but I really want to start in the back. I'm gonna do my hair like I would normally do it and just start in the back. Now that we know that it actually works. So spray a little bit of my BB Curl Luminous oil spray with Brazilian oils. Just to make it a little softer. My hair is kind of dry. Let's do this. I'm gonna try the high setting. I feel like my roots hair are still a bit curly, but wow, I still kind of don't know what it means. If you see like smoke, is that the product or is that my hair? Oh, the brush does get really hot, so make sure you don't touch this. Put it on my, wow. Okay, I put a little bit too much oil in this section, so I have to make sure not to do that in the next one, but okay. Okay. Definitely gonna do this part a little bit longer. Wow. That is straight, all right. Wow. It's crazy that when my hair gets dry, like when I straighten my hair, you really see the color. Like suddenly I'm like blonde. Crazy. Wow. I like it. I feel like I have to take my time a little more. I'm just rushing through it with like big sections, but I definitely like it. This did take me 17 minutes, but I think one of the reasons, like I said, is because I've been rushing through and I just need to take my time with this one. Oh, do you guys know when you're nails are growing out and it starts to lift up here. And your hair just gets stuck. Oh, freaking hate it. Okay, darlings, this is the end result. The fact that this brush make my hair this straight is pretty impressive. So good job, people from Revlon. Good job. I think my hair's pretty straight. I'm not gonna use a flat iron because I wasn't planning on it in the first place. My hair is getting super long too. I might need a trim. I might need a trim. Who am I kidding? I for sure need a trim, but I might trim it. Let me know if you want me to do it on camera and if you want to see how I trim my hair. I'm not gonna do a big cut because I told myself I wasn't gonna cut my hair all this year, but what's necessary is necessary. I think it did pretty well. Also, it took me 39 minutes. Perfect timing. My battery's about to die. Well, I think I'm just gonna put my hair into like really tight buns in the night and see what it does. Hopefully it gets a nice little wave. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're all safe, and I hope you're all staying safe, and I see you in the next one. Bye.